guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to another video. Today it's finally time for the first Halloween tutorial of the year. I'm actually gonna recreate something that I did many years ago, and it's the face of Bambi, but I'm gonna do it with a little twist. So I'm gonna do the evil Bambi, the dark Bambi. I really hope this is gonna be a fun tutorial to watch. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and like the video so you don't miss out any new videos in the future. Let's get started. Halloween looks doesn't have to be super crazy with a lot of blood and latex and contact lenses. Halloween looks can be very simple and you can wear your regular makeup, the makeup you have at home. So for today's look, I'm gonna start off with the fresh nude foundation in the shade Bali Vanilla. So for the base, I am going to do like my regular foundation routine, and then I'm going in with darker and lighter shades afterwards. And you guys also asked for more simple Halloween looks. This foundation is, by the way, very nice and very dewy. It's really good for dry skin. So what I'm gonna do now is to lighten up some parts with the shade adjusting drops in Lightening and darken some places with shade adjusting drops in Darkening. So basically what I'm gonna do is to highlight and contour with these two. First of all, I'm gonna point out the places where I'm gonna do this. My forehead, my nose, my cheeks, my chin. And then I'm gonna take the darken drops to shade. What I think is key when you're doing Halloween looks is to work with light and dark. So now I'm doing under here to create a harsh line. I am setting it with some powder. So the eyebrows I want to be pretty dark, and I am using the Smoky 2-in-1 gel liner. Now I have a pretty pair of thick and carved out eyebrows, and that's exactly what I want for this look. I'm gonna use the same product as my eye primer, and I'll be using this same brush but the other end. I'm gonna go pretty far under my eyes to create like a darker under eye look, and I'm gonna continue using this eyeliner to carve out my nose even more. Okay, let's go to the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use this palette that is Paint in Color eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using the darkest brown to set this eyeliner. I'm going under the eye with the same brown. And also here I'm gonna exaggerate the nose a little bit more with some more contouring. And then I'm actually gonna use another palette that is called Own Your Naturals, and use the more golden and coppery shades on the middle of my eyelids. And now I'm just going around my eyes with a shade that is a little bit lighter as a transition shade. It's not very evil yet, is it? Okay, let's do some more contouring. So I'm going in with this dark brown gray here to contour a little bit more. I am using the matte Kajal in black to intensify the eyes. If you don't have any lenses, You can always line your eyes with red to make your eye makeup look a bit more scary. I want to make my eyeliner a little bit thicker, so I'm using the Star Stamp eyeliner for that. I totally forgot the inner corners. I need to do the inner corner eyeliner as well. So that was the eyes. I think they're pretty much done. So now here comes the fun part. I am going to use the Lightening drops again to create some light around my nose here. And then I'm gonna go in with the gel eyeliner again to simply fill in the nose. I'm gonna do the lip, the upper lip. It's also gonna be black. I'm using the same to outline and to fill in. And then I will use the Star Stamp eyeliner on the inside because I don't want it to transfer to my lower lip. Now I will add some nice glow to the cheeks. So what we're gonna use now is the drops of gold. I'm gonna add it on with a sponge onto the cheeks. I actually want to do more black on my eyes in the inner corners, so I'm using a brush and this Kajal to use it as an eyeshadow. Just want a little bit of definition here. So I made the blood under my eyes with the Shine Lip Liquid in Berry Glaze. So you don't need blood to actually do blood for Halloween. And the white dots I created with the shade adjusting drops in Lightening together with the matte Kajal. Actually, I used the top to just dot it on. And I used, for the smaller ones, I used the smaller tip to make the dots. It's so simple. You don't need special effects makeup to do a Halloween look. My Bambi did not turn out that evil after all. She's still quite cute, but with a little touch of blood. For you guys who don't want to be like super creepy on Halloween, this is kind of a very simple look to do. And you only need the makeup you have at home. So I really hope you like this video. Don't forget again to subscribe and like the video, and happy Halloween! See you next time. Bye.